compound words. Hot plus dog. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's hot dog. Rain plus bow. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's rainbow. Sun plus flower. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's sunflower. Snow plus man. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's snowman. Tooth plus brush. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's toothbrush. Cup plus cake. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's cupcake. Base plus ball. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's baseball. Butter plus fly. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's butterfly. Bed plus room. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's bedroom. Note plus book. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's notebook. Foot plus ball. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's football. Pan plus cake. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's pancake. Gold plus fish. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's goldfish. Air plus boat. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's airport. Water plus fall. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's waterfall. Soft plus drink. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's soft drink. Letter plus box. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's letterbox. Cow plus boy. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's cowboy. Ear plus ring. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's earring. Bin plus bag. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's bin bag. Do like, share, subscribe.